City never sleeps. Neither do I.
Penthouse got a view of every light below. Everybody down there moving fast, I'm moving slow. Dressed in all black, elevator taking me up. Somebody pour me something strong, fill it to the cup. Yeah, city look like diamonds scattered on the ground. Every siren in the distance, just a piece of the sound. VIP is where they put me, cameras on my face. But the loneliest I've ever been is in the most crowded place. Neon bleeding through the window, painted purple on the wall. Had everything they promised me, still felt the empty hall. Poured another, check my phone, nobody real to call. When you're living at the top, it's a long way down to fall. Neon guards and city lights, we've been living for the night. Bottles up and music loud, but something missing in the crowd. Neon guards and city lights, everything is burning bright, but behind the glass and all the glow, it's just me and what I know. Rooftop party, 50 people, none of them I trust. Everything is beautiful, everything is lust. Smoke curling up toward the stars we cannot see. City light pollution took the sky away from me. Model on my left, producer on my right. Everybody talking deals at 2 a.m. at night. Shook 100 hands tonight, remember maybe 2. In a room full of everything, still thinking about you. Stepped outside the noise for just a minute on my own. Even in the penthouse, even here, I'm still alone. Neon signs reflected in the puddles down below. Beautiful and empty like a perfect fashion show. Neon guys and city lights, we've been living for the night. Bottles up and music loud, but something missing in the crowd. Neon guys and city lights, everything is burning bright, but behind the glass and all the glow, it's just me and what I know.
You ever throw a party just so you don't have to sit with the silence?
Yeah, me too. 4 a.m. the crowd is thinning, stragglers at the door. Empty bottles on the table, spill across the floor. DJ playing something slow now, almost like he knows that the night is finally over and the real feeling shows. Jacket on, stepped in the elevator going down. Every floor, another layer, shedding the renown. Lobby empty, doorman out in cold, there is my face. Walk into the neon city, disappear without a trace. Just another silhouette beneath the glowing signs. Living in between the verses, reading in between the lines. City never asked me how I'm doing, never will. Neon guards don't answer back, they just glow and stand still. Neon guards and city lights, we've been living for the night. Bottles up and music loud, something missing in the crowd. Neon guards and city lights, everything is burning bright, but behind the glass and all the glow, it's just me and what I know. Just me and what I know.
5 a.m. City's still glowing.